I got this new headset. This is the Jabra EVOLVE2 85. Let's find out what's in the box, share some first impressions on today's 2-minute review. This is a premium headset with advanced active noise cancellation. The price is typically around $400 and there's a link in the description below. The box describes some of the most important features, including the fact that there are 10 built-in microphones. Some basic getting started instructions are on the inside cover of the box. The headset comes in this case for storage and transportation. In the box, we also have the charging dock. We'll look at that in a moment, plus some documentation. Inside the case, we have the headset itself, a USB cable, as well as an audio cable. In the corner here, there is also a Bluetooth dongle, which was very difficult to focus on. This dongle is the USB-C version, but there is also a USB-A version. I have links to both versions in the description. The case has a neat little space for that USB dongle so that you don't lose it. The first impression when I pick up the headset is that it feels really premium. It is heavier than the headsets I typically use. The build quality feels excellent. The headband can be adjusted without any predefined steps. Feels nice. This version of the Jabra EVOLVE2 85 is Teams certified. You can see the Teams logo there on the side of the cup. The right ear cup houses the foldable microphone. It comes out in front, but then you can also swivel the tip of the microphone so that it's even closer to your mouth. This is a very smooth mechanism, and you can push the mic back in one single motion. At the end of the mic, there's a button that will activate your assistant, like Google Assistant or Gemini on Android or Siri on Apple. I understand that they wanted to have a button for your assistant, but the placement is not ideal. You're kind of picking very close to your mouth when you're trying to access it. Continuing on the right side, we have buttons for volume up and down, and those buttons can also be used to skip to the next song or go to the previous one. The button in the middle is used for play and pause, and also for hanging up calls. On the left side of the headset, we have the audio port, a USB port, as well as the on-off switch. And that on-off switch is also what you use to pair new devices to the headset. You can charge the headset with that USB-C port on the left-hand side, but you can also charge it with a charging dock. It works like this. Collapse the headset and then align the charging connectors on the headset to the connectors on the dock itself. When successful, the charging light will turn green. The idea is to rest the brace of the headset in this little cradle portion of the charging dock. If I ever were to make a blooper reel on this channel, this would be a good candidate because it took me way too many tries to get this right. But once you figure it out, it works quite nicely actually. So far, I've tested the Jabra EVOLVE2 85 with the Bluetooth dongle connected to my laptop, as well as my laptop and an Android phone with the built-in Bluetooth function of the device. The first thing I noticed when I put on the headset is that the passive noise cancellation, I haven't even switched on the headset, is really, really good. It's very, very quiet in here. So far, the audio quality has been really good, but I want to do some more testing. For example, I want to take this on a flight to see how well the active noise cancellation works in practice. Subscribe to be notified when the full review is out. One reflection I make is that I'm not used to this much silence. I usually use headsets and headphones that are a little bit more open in their design. For example, the Jabra EVOLVE2 65, the single ear version, that is what I've been using for the longest time. It allows me to be a little bit more aware of my surroundings. So my first impression is that I need a little bit more time to get used to this style of headset, but I can also see plenty of situations where that active and excellent passive noise cancellation are going to be very useful. Learn more about the specifications, pricing, and availability with the link in the description below. And click or tap the screen right here to watch my video about the Jabra EVOLVE2 65. That's the single ear headset that I mentioned before. I've been using it for about 2 years. It doesn't have this elegant microphone that the 85 has, but it is, on the other hand, much lighter. So check out that video right now. Thank you for watching 2-minute reviews, and I will see you in the next video.